Yeah, it is live now.
Okay, great. All right, folks, welcome to our hangout. Um, Chao and Yu Hong both are here, and um, we'll start with some announcements. Hopefully, the project backend is going well. Again, not much time is remaining, so make sure you are on track. And by now, you should have finished naive code generation and maybe half of the register allocation phases, detecting liveness, building the webs, building interference graph, and doing the coloring. This will take a little bit of effort, so please don't wait till the end. And as you keep generating the code, keep checking it on the MIPS machine, um, and see the results and all. If they're correct, the code should execute properly and produce the intended results. Write some small test Tiger programs and then keep doing that. And then build it more and more features, make the programs more and more efficient by building register allocation. And that's the way we suggest proceeding with the project. The second announcement is in terms of homeworks. And our last homework we are going to give today that will cover the topics of optimization and so on. And it will give you a good idea of preparing for the finals. And that leads to our third announcement. By the way, the homework will be due at the same time at the end of the semester, so make sure you get the project done properly before that. We don't have time to extend either one because the semester end is there. And that leads to my third announcement, which is um, in terms of our finals. The finals will be comprehensive. We'll talk more about that as we go further, but we need to at this point get things set up. Chao, did you had a chance to put the general announcement that we have about onboarding new students? So we typically have some who have never taken any OMS class, were fresh in the program, and they would have to get onboarded. So, Chao, can you go ahead and post that announcement and also send the roster to David Joyner?
Okay, no problem. I will do
Yeah,
it now.
let's do it today so that there's enough time to get things set up, and then they can take. So those who are new to this, you have to install the um, Proctor Track on your machine. You'll get some email to when the account is set up. You download and install the software, and then you log in into your account, and the software checks if your computer is ready for taking the test remotely. That's what you will be doing, and it will check your webcam and everything else, and get things set up. And then you are given a dummy test just to check if everything is working okay. And once you do that, your setup is complete, and then you can take our test. So the test will be given during, as per the pacing schedule. It will be open during that time, about 3 hours 15 minutes due to duration. The real duration is 2 hours 45 minutes, but we are adding an extra half an hour just in case any glitches happen during the test, your computer crashes, or some video stops working, whatever, the connection is lost. These things occasionally occur. You can restart talking to the Proctor Track support from where you left off and complete the test. So that's why we are giving a little bit of additional time. And we'll talk a little bit more about the format of the test and all later on. But let's get set up, especially those who were fresh students in the OMS program. They have to get onboarded through Proctor Track. So follow those instructions, what Chow is going to put out, and we'll get your account set up and so on. Other than that, I don't have any other announcements. You must be pacing now instruction selection. So we are going to give you a homework based on that, and the next topic, which is optimizations. And that's our last homework, and that's the light homework. It's not very heavy duty because we realize that you have to finish your project which you are working on, which is really important. Get that done properly. That carries a lot of weightage. So the homework is a little bit light weight, but it again is important because these topics are really important and are there on the final exam. So it will help you prepare for the finals. We have finished grading of all the homeworks and the projects and all, thanks to our very hardworking TAs who have done this. And so you have all your grades and scores in front of you.